Hey guys, so I have some salmon that I've put in this cast iron skillet. Take a look at these babies. They're Alaskan wild caught. I'm gonna cook them until they're about, now you can kind of see it right now. See how it's a lighter pink on the bottom, and that's gonna travel up. And I'm gonna wait till that travels up halfway through the salmon steaks, and then I'm gonna flip them and do the same thing. And it's gonna have this really nice brown color on it. It's gonna look like something that I really want to eat. So I'm cooking it in a cast iron skillet, as you can see, and I love cast iron because to me it's real. It's living. And what I mean by that is there's nothing in cast iron that I'm afraid of cooking on. Like, there's no Teflon that can scratch off, or, you know, plastic, or, you know, just anything out there that isn't, you know, natural. Because I want to choose life in everything that I do. So now I get to cook in this lovely cast iron skillet. And now I'm going to flip these guys. Alright, so I'm going to flip this guy. Ooh, that's nice. And these don't seem to have much of the skin on the bottom. You know, that salmon skin. Ready? Boom! Headshot! This one looks awesome. I'm going to show you. Look at that. Love yourself. Okay, so I'm going to let these cook, you know, about a minute, minute and a half, until I feel like it's done. And then I'm going to get a fork and kind of, you know, dig into it and make sure it's cooked all the way through. And enjoy. I'll be back. Hey guys. So I've got my salmon here, and I wanted to come and show you guys. Delicious. I'm gonna get my plate and I'm gonna enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Oh my gosh. Seriously, I wish everyone in the world was eating this right now, because wow. Yeah, it's experience all in itself. Gosh.